Good afternoon, folks. Doing a mini challenge for Adam for his Antetekounmpo 2-card lot. Challenge live. List has Tom to Jason. We'll copy that. Let's just check who we're looking for first. First, second, and last. Put the list into the randomizer at 1:58 PM local time. Tom on top and Jason at the bottom. Dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's a 6. We are going. Good luck. 1, 2, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Mick, Glenn, and James. Last one at 1:59. Congrats to the winners of spots for the main. We got spot 3, Jason picking up some. Spot 6, Mick picking up some. And spot 4, Tim also grabbing some. That's 3, 6, and last 4, 4. Verification code at the bottom when we did go 6 times for that one. Congrats to all. Good luck for the main. Challenge complete.